Hi, welcome to Minicab Drivers Lifeline. We help with many different kind of applications, and we also do train people for passing many different kind of tests, including life in the UK. And also we help with visas as well as settlement in the UK. So if you need help, don't hesitate to go get in charge. Today we are going to show you how to apply and get your passport, British passport, within a week using the fast track services. Before we start, this is a guidance only and not legal advice. For legal advice, you should always refer to government website. So let's move on. So you type in apply for fast track passport, and then you go get a passport urgently. Obviously, the standard service will take long time, and then obviously you can book an appointment and then go through. You need to go and attend there in person, by the way, just to let you know. And ways to apply, there's two ways you can apply for an urgent passport. It's a 1 day premium service and 1 week fast track service. And 1 day premium service is going to cost you £207, and if you're going to a 54 pages passport, that's £219. And 1 week one will cost you 166 or 178 if you go to 54 pages. For a child passport, it is 135.50 or 147.50 if it is a 54 page documents. So let's move on. So you'll need three things. Initially, your old passport, a digital photo of yourself, and a credit or debit card. So these are the three things we need to apply for your passport. Answer some question, will tell you which urgent service you can use, and etc. Check your eligibility, book an appointment, etc. So let's start. Do you live in the UK? Yes, say yes. What is your date of birth? We say 2001 or 04, doesn't matter. 2001, for example. Let's make a note of this in case we need it after. So you click on continue, and then have you had a UK passport before? You say yes. Have you changed your name since? No, because I made another one with a name changed before. So refer to that if that applies to you. So you can always have a look at that. Is the passport lost or stolen? No. If it is, obviously say yes. When was your passport issued? So you can say 2209/2014. So 2209/2014, and then you click continue. Is your passport damaged? Is no. If it is yes, you say yes. Do you have any passport from any other countries? If you have one, then you say yes. This is particularly important when you change your name. If you change your name and then you are wanted your new name on the British passport, then obviously you will have to change the name of the other passport as well that you are holding, other passport or passports. So obviously you will have to do that, otherwise you will not get your British passport. So make sure you do this before you start. Either collect it at your appointment or 4 hours later. We'll tell you when. What is cost? 1 day premium service, we have gone through this already, and also 1 week fast track service is delivered within a week. Okay, so what do you call it? So you can just book an appointment if you like. For example, if you're in London, you can London before Monday 28th of October or after 20th of October. So you just select, you can continue, and then obviously these are the options. Appointment are available. Today's 21st of October and it's 23rd of October. Appointments are available. So don't get worried, don't get panicking, because appointments are always available. Okay, let me show you the fast track service for a week as well. Again, same thing, you select London and then look, today is 21st of October and 22nd of October. You already got 47 slots available. Yes, slots are always available, so nothing to worry about. So let's go for morning slot, 8 p.m. You need to complete your application to keep this appointment, for example, and this is the address you need to go to. Obviously, whichever city you choose, obviously you go accordingly and make a note of your make a note of the address of the passport office that you are going to. Digital photo, as usual, provide applicant details and document to bring, pay for your passport, and then obviously go to your appointment. These are the steps to follow. There's a guidance in terms of photos. Obviously this is easier these days, that you can simply go to a photo booth or a shop, and they will get your digital photo taken, and they will give a code, and you simply enter the code, and then obviously your photo will appear on the screen, or you can take your photo and upload it yourself. So for example, photo with a code, and then you can click it, and you can continue, and then you can add the code here, yeah, and that will take you to allow you to enter this photo. And then obviously there's a guidance to follow, so please have a look at your own time and make sure, and there's a video as well for you to have a look. And then you choose your photo, and we have one. We'll mask this page because this is somebody's personal details we can't show you, and obviously as you see, the photo is considered as good, so we can continue. Yes, this photo meets the rules of and then you say your passport number, we just copy it from there, and when it will expiry date, so we said it was issued in 2014, so we say 08/2024 it has been expired. And the new passport details, Mr. first name Minicab, Lifeline. And have you ever used any other names? And no, we have shown you if the name changes, what to do on the renewal bit. So just just go with it. Bristol, for example, postcode E11HQ. This is our office address. Unit 14. You continue. Email minicab@gmail.com. minicab@gmail.com. Mobile number is 07551808946. 05155180896. That's the mobile phone number. Okay, and that's the email address. If you need any help or guidance, get in touch here. If you want to get an email update or phone update when your passport is on the way and etc., so you can select both of the option. If not, just you can leave it. So if you want a standard, obviously you can select this one. If you want more pages, 20 more pages, then you can go for these options for about £12 extra. And if someone is blind or visually impaired, they can select this option and have a braille sticker on the passport. So we continue, and obviously once your passport arrives, you'll have to sign it. So you say I understand, and you continue. If you have filling this passport on behalf of somebody, you say someone else, then you have to fill in your details. If it is for yourself, you just say me, then you continue, and then now it's time for you to check the details. Obviously you'll have to mask the photo, so for a bit you won't be able to see, so you can change all these details wherever is needed to be. If you need to, just click on change and change it. And obviously this is your appointment date. We went for 1 week fast track appointment, just to remind you. If you wanted to go for 1 day premium service, you can do that as well. And then you can click continue, and this will tell you what the documents to bring: your old passport, and if any of the following applies to you: professional other title on your passport, apply for a British national overseas passport, whatever applies to you, change your gender on your passport, anything that applies, have a look at your own time and bring those documents with you to your appointment. Then you say continue, and now all you need to do, just to pay for it. Okay, so you click, you say you agree, continue to payment, and once you land on the payment page, and obviously you'll have a payment confirmation. And all you need to do now is, once the payment has been made, so you just need to go and attend the appointment and get your passport within a week or within a day. So that's all really from us. So if you have found this video useful, make sure to like, comment, share with others as well. As well as if you need any help with anything, any immigration related matters, including settlement in the UK, visas, visa application, and etc., please don't hesitate to get in touch with us or visit our website for more information. Thank you very much.